Hi there traders, this is FX Explained. This is another Master Academy with Steve Miley. So what we're going to look at today, we're going to take a look at choosing a broker. A really important step for any trader is to choose and come across the right broker. Now this can take some time, maybe opening up demo accounts, maybe looking at different options, maybe trying out different brokers on demos, maybe trying out different brokers on live accounts. But certainly there's some aspects we need to look at when considering choosing a broker. And we're going to take a look at those today. So the first thing we're going to consider when choosing a broker is trust. Trust. Do we trust the broker? We're going to take a look at investment offerings. We're going to take a look at commissions and fees, the trading platform, research options, educational options, customer service, and finally mobile trading. So let's take a look at trust first of all. One of the most important things we want when we go and set up an account with a broker is to know that we're going to be able to get our money back easily and there are going to be no issues with the broker. So first of all, we're going to look at maybe regulation. Are they regulated? There are various regulation bodies and we're going to look to see how well they're regulated. So that's going to be an important thing around trust. The next thing we may look at is then the history of the broker. We may look online to find out if they have any difficulties, if there are any consumer complaints from other clients, other traders. So we'll take a look at their history. And we may also look at whether they're publicly listed. Obviously a publicly listed company is more probably trustworthy in the long run. And then we'll take a look and check out online reviews. FX Explained comes in here. Please do go and check out our online reviews of the various brokers on our sites. This is a great way to get a good understanding of which brokers are more trustworthy, which brokers may be less trustworthy, and then really looking at overall, are we assured that we can get our money back? That's ultimately what we want to be able to do when we decide to maybe take some profits out of our account. The next thing we're going to take a look at is investment offerings. What is available to trade? What asset classes are available? Does the broker offer multiple asset classes? Are they looking at Forex? Are they looking at crypto? Are they looking at equity markets, individual stocks, bond markets, commodities? Some brokers are specialist brokers, specialize in one of those asset classes more than the other. So we may want that if we are only trading certain asset classes. Next, we're going to talk about commissions and fees. This is how much we pay to trade on a daily basis for each trade. Sometimes this is all incorporated in the spread. So we have the bid-offer spread. So a narrower bid-offer spread is obviously going to cost us less than a wider bid-offer spread. So we'll be looking at maybe the bid-offer spread offered by the individual brokers. Some brokers don't have a bid offer spread. They maybe just quote you a bid and offer price at the same price, but they may have a fixed commission per trade, or there may be a bid offer spread which is fixed, but there's a fixed commission as well. And there may be other fees involved as well. Almost certainly there will be. Maybe withdrawal fees, maybe even fees to place money into your account. So we need to look at those to see if they're going to be significant when we're choosing a broker. Next, we're going to talk about the trading platform. So the trading platform, is this important to you? You may be a trader that doesn't really need a sophisticated trading platform. If you're a macro fundamental trader, you may not need a lot of detail on your trading platform. However, if you rely on technical analysis, you may require a more sophisticated trading platform. Some brokers offer better trading platforms than others with more technical tools available on offer for when we're trading and doing our analysis. And also it might be important for you to be able to trade directly from the chart. If you're a very, very short-term quick trader, you may want to be able to be on the chart. As soon as the market breaks a certain level, you maybe want to trade directly from the chart. And there are various other options that you may be looking into when we're looking at trading platforms. Research. How important is research to you? Maybe if you're a macro fundamental type trader, it's very important to you. If you're a technical analyst and you're looking at trading technically, it may not be as important to you. So fundamental macro research offered by a broker may be a big boost to you or may not. Maybe you're looking to trade individual stocks. In this case, you would want individual company research. So we'd be looking at that as well as a potential offering. And there are various other types of research potentially on offer by different specialist brokers that we may want to look into. Let's talk now about education. You may be historically have a lot of experience as trading, and so you don't need education. However, you may be a beginner trader or even intermediate term trader, and you may then in that case want to learn. So if you do want to learn, then education could be important. Does the broker offer videos? Does it offer webinars where we can actually learn from the broker and maybe specific analysts? Next, we're going to talk about customer service. This may or may not, again, be important to you. Do they have easy telephone contact? Can you get in touch with someone when something goes wrong, when you need to speak to someone? Do they offer an online chat, or is it just via email? Is this operational 24 hours a day, or is it only during working hours? Finally, we're going to look at their mobile trading. Some people, it's very important to be able to trade directly from their mobile phone. They're busy, on the go, and want to be able to easily get into markets and check their positions and maybe enter new positions. Do they offer both Apple and Android options? Do they offer iPad or tablet options? Is it user friendly? Does it sync directly with the desktop version, the mobile trading version syncing with the desktop version? So all of these things are going to be important to you when choosing a broker. So let's have a brief recap of what we've spoken about when choosing a broker. We're talking about trust. We're talking about investment offerings. We're looking at commissions and fees, the trading platform. We'll be looking at research and education, customer service, and mobile trading. This has been Steve Miley again with a Master Academy for FX Explains. Please do join us again next time. If you have any questions about this article or this video, please leave a comment below and I'll come back to you.